Window tint like this is wonderful. It blocks the sun's rays, keeping it cooler inside, reducing energy consumption from air conditioning. In life, your view of the world is determined by your perspective, which varies from person to person, place to place, and from situation to situation. I believe this piece of art embodies that philosophy. Traditional building techniques like this are still very widespread in our world today, for one reason: because they work. most of us see the world around us for what it is, a true artist looks at what the world could be. Bread is one of the world's most popular foods, and it probably always will be. With so many different types and styles out there, it's impossible to know exactly how many there are. It's enough to know that whatever your tastes are, there's a bread out there for you somewhere. Applying a large decal like this is not as simple as putting up a sticker. There's an entire proper procedure technicians need to follow to get the application just right. See for yourself. When it comes to eating tuna, nobody beats Japan. They eat the most and pay dearly for the privilege. In 2019, a Japanese sushi tycoon named Kiyoshi Kimura bought a colossal bluefin tuna weighing 612 pounds for a whopping $3.1 million. Mold making has existed for thousands of years and was the ancient equivalent of the assembly line. Although we can't be certain, ancient China likely gets the credit for inventing the process. yourself a favor, people. If you've never been out to dinner at a teppanyaki-style restaurant, do so immediately. You get dinner, a show, and an experience you'll never forget. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. A person who makes, deals in, or repairs saddles and other leather equipment for horses is called a saddler. I never saw it on career day, but a top quality saddler can make well over $100,000 a year plying their trade. Carving exquisite designs in wood requires sharp tools, a sharp mind, and patience enough to not screw everything up at the last minute. Tired of crooked trees? Who isn't? Now you don't have to go through your life wishing that trees would straighten up themselves. You can make it happen. Link fencing has been separating man and animal ever since Charles Bernard invented it back in 1844. A fence like this will last about 20 years before having to be replaced, requiring little to no maintenance. Girls gotta eat. High-producing dairy cows need to eat between 110 to 120 pounds of wet food per day, or about 50 to 55 pounds of dry food per day. Being resourceful on the farm is key to running a successful operation. You can't always run to the store if you need something, so you gotta make it yourself. Modern art is an extension of poetry, or so said the French artist who began the movement back in the 19th century. It's art that rejects traditional techniques and can result in many forms using a variety of mediums. Its interpretation is up to you. As we bring today's presentation to a close, I'd like to personally thank all of you for joining us today. It was our pleasure to put it all together for you. Please, friend, drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.